Okay guys, this is a 1962 H22N that I got last year, and if you follow me you might have seen me take it apart and rebuild it last year. It's been sitting on my bench since then. I've been looking for the original parts to finish it as an original restoration, but no one's coming off any of that stuff. I made this intake about 6 months ago just to see if I could. I was gonna just use the original diaphragm carburetor, and I still kind of will probably do it, but I just tore an engine apart that was running, and this is just a Chinese crap carburetor. The engine ran good, but I was going to throw it out, and I was like, well, let's just stick it on this motor and fire it up and see how it runs. And it runs pretty good. It's got its little inherent dead spot that the Chinese carburetors always have, because the bore is way too big going through the venturi on them. They just universalized them, and it gives them a dead spot. But other than that, I mean, it seems to be working okay. It's enough for me to run it in. That's an original new old stock muffler that Tecumseh made for that era. It looks similar to what these actually used, except it's angled out. I thought that kind of looked cool with the two angles there. What else did I do? I did a 4-angle. I don't know if I said that. I refaced the original valves, did a little port transitioning and cleanup. It still has the pin valves have a smaller spring, so they're a little lighter, so it'll probably float easier. But and it's still an H22 crankshaft, so it's still just the standard H22 inside, just cleaned up a bit. Let's see how it starts here. I think I got it pretty decent, but you never know. So bear with me if it doesn't want to fire right away. Dead spot. Even with the original J8 plug, and it's a Phelon ignition on these, this isn't the Tecumseh magneto even. She fired up good and seems to run pretty strong. Have a great day.